Are you someone looking to streamline your scheduling and stay on top of your tasks efficiently? Have you considered using a digital calendar but felt overwhelmed with the options? Or perhaps you've been using Microsoft tools but haven't tapped into the full potential of Microsoft Calendar? Welcome to the Microsoft Calendar training. In this training, you will learn about the robust world of digital scheduling and understand how Microsoft Calendar can revolutionize your daily organization. This training covers everything from setting up your calendar, personalizing it to your preference, to sharing it with your team effectively. Our learning environment is tailored to provide personalized support to each and every student. Our dedicated team of educators and tutors is just a click away, ensuring you get the guidance you need to excel in your studies. Are you prepared to level up your skills? Book a free consulting meeting with our knowledgeable experts and explore the best path for your growth.